Hey guys, Top Carrot here. Today we're replacing the trigger valve assembly on a Stanley Bostich. This is a roofing nailer, but it's going to be the same for pretty much all their nailers. There is two different models. The one we're looking at today is a TVA6. There's also a TVA11. They're both going to pretty much replace the same. As you can see from mine here, I'll plug it in. I got air leaking right out of the trigger assembly. Something in there is busted. So a few things to note. In my package, it did come with a pin for knocking out these roll pins. We're gonna have to knock out 2. Some models you'll have to knock out 3. And there is an orientation that you want to make sure you get right. You can see it right there. That's where the pin will go through when we do the final assembly. It will go through right like that. So to make sure that orientation is right when you put it back in there. All right, let's get started. So here I'm just gonna pop the pin for the trigger out first. Different sizes, so we want to make sure we get them in the correct way when we go to put them back. Now we gotta just kind of work this out and see how that'll go. Here comes the old one. It's out. I can't see anything particularly wrong with it. Now there should be a valve cover that is going to be in there as well. Which I do not see. So this comes apart in 2 pieces. It does appear like it is going to work. Alright, so now we're going to take this and we're going to grease it. I'm going to rip this cap apart. And it doesn't quite say, so I am going to take this inside apart and I am going to put a little bit on these 2 seals inside here. Again, it's not 100% clear if that's what it wants or not. But we're definitely now the outside. All right, there you go. In, short pin. Back in, we're going to test it real quick.
Into the table.
There we go. Make sure we disconnect that air again. That would be bad. Now we're going to pull this in here. Here we go. all squared away, guys.